to this week's video. So for this week's video, it is a little bit of a different video, and I wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys know that I have talked about this, and I just wanted to put it out there on YouTube. So with that being said, I know this is going to be a little bit of a controversial video. Surprisingly, I know I don't have any of these on my channel really, but this one is going to be a little bit of a controversial video, like I was saying. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so I wanted to share with you guys my story of being in Monat and being in an MLM, which, if you guys don't know, first of all, an MLM is a multi-networking, marketing, and it is, I'm gonna put this right out there, different than a pyramid scheme. A lot of people are gonna come at me saying I'm in a pyramid scheme, blah blah blah. It is not a pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme is actually when you are not receiving products. You're not it's pretty much a whole guessing game on if you're going to get money from it. You receive products. With our company, there is like 10 ways that you can make money, which is insane, and we have a whole entire track of how you can make a lot of money within your first 3 months, which is insane, and they just have the system really built up so it is successful, and you're constantly having workshops and having access to trainings and things like that to help you be successful. So with that being said, I kind of wanted to put that out there because I know a lot of people are going to come at me and question me about any of this. And yeah, why did I pick Monat out of any possible MLM that I could be a part of? I picked Monat because there's just even doing the research, there's so many benefits. It also is a part of the National Hair Loss Association, which is amazing. And if you guys don't know, I do have a rare growth disorder. I've talked about this multiple times on my channel and on my Instagram, and just via all my platforms. But I thought that this would be a great opportunity to go ahead and try to see what this can do for me. You guys don't know, with my growth disorder, my hair is really thin. It does not grow. I've never once gotten a haircut, which seems pretty crazy, but I never have. And my growth disorder, side note, is completely rare. There's not even a number, there's not a cure, none of that. So I thought I would take the leap and try this out for myself and see if this really could be beneficial for me. So that is pretty much my why and why I started this for myself. But I also started this because I wanted to help others have confidence. I have grown confidence from this, and a lot of other girls in my group have really gained confidence from this, and I think it's amazing. A lot of girls have quit their full-time jobs to work this full-time, which is beyond amazing. A lot of them are fresh out of high school and are literally up towards the top, which is amazing. And one of the girls who's doing that is literally my age. It's insane to know that people 18, 19 years old, there's a director, we have the youngest director, she's 18 years old. You guys, this, no joke, is just amazing, and it's life-changing, but also the products are life-changing, and that was the main reason why I did this, so I could use the products to help empower others who may not have a good self-esteem when it comes to their hair or their skin. I know for me, I never liked showing up on camera the day after I got out of the shower because my hair used to be super flat. And if you guys can see, my hair is not flat, there's volume to it. I took my shower yesterday. I took it last night. So that to me is insane because I never had something like that happen, and it's made me it's allowed me to come on camera, and on my Instagram I've been posting on my story like crazy because I have the confidence to now. And that's why I wanted to do this, is to bring confidence to other women and even males, because these products work for both. So with that being said, so a lot of people are probably gonna ask me about the group, how being a part of the group is, and all of that. And I wanted to let you guys know that, no joke, this group of women are so supportive. We literally, anything that goes wrong in anybody's lives, we are there for them, we are supportive of them, and we want the best. And we always try to bring that out in other people as well. And we find people who are motivated and who are willing to do this kind of stuff and kind of take the leap of faith. So within the group, we, no joke, send each other podcasts, quotes, things like that, and it's been helping me personally work on my personal development, which has made me have so much better, like, my mindset has changed so much. I've actually been a lot happier, and won't lie, I have not been taking my anxiety medicine. So you guys, you know, this stuff is no joke helping me, and it's helped me work on my law of attraction stuff. It's helped me just have a better mindset and just working on myself as a person. So I really am taking that and kind of running with it, because like, it's been something that's been so empowering in my life, and I know a lot of the girls in the group know that this has done the same thing for, you know, them, and for many other girls who are in this business. So we also do like weekly calls. We have motivational calls in the mornings, in the evenings, at night. We always have leadership trainings and things like that. So I think that is amazing because it helps me with the business, but it also helps me with things that I want to do outside of the business. It helps me with, you know, my YouTube growth. It's helping me with my social media growth and how to just talk to people and have that communication through social media. And that's something that I really enjoyed, because as you guys know, I love social media, and you know, that is gonna slowly start being my full-time job, hopefully, and something that I am really strongly working on this summer. But yeah, so it's just really come down to having a lot of powerful things behind it, as I could say. And it's just really been a great group of girls to work with, and you meet girls from all across the world. Pretty much Monet is in US, in Canada, Poland, Ireland, and the UK. So we're meeting girls from all over there. I know so many girls that are in the US too, and it's just amazing to be around a strong group of girls who want the same and have the same dedication towards this kind of stuff. So that being said, I know everyone's probably like, but like, do you get compensated, this and that, like how does all of that work? So I want to explain a little bit about that. We do get trips, and these are fully paid for trips. Currently working on going to the Dominican Republic, crossing my fingers, and I'm really striving to go for that. But it is not handed to us. A lot of people probably are thinking, oh, like they get to just go on these trips. No, our company literally gives it to us because we are working our butts off for this. We have different tiers that we have to hit, different ranks that we have to hit to be able to go on these trips. And yes, they are fully covered, but it's because we worked our butt off for it. So we have that. We have our Cadillac incentive, is when you hit a certain rank in the business, you get your free paid for Cadillac, which is amazing. And something that I definitely look forward to. We have that. We have our founder share, which we get 3 shares once we hit like a certain rank within a year of the business. And just things like that. I think it's pretty amazing. And if we hit ranks by certain times, they give us rewards for that too. And a lot of it is just rewarding us for doing our job, our business, and all that kind of stuff. So yes, they're free, but we get them because we worked our butt off. And then we have what we call Monations, which is pretty much just our, like, I know you guys know I went to Playlist Live. It's pretty much a convention. And what this allows us to do is, like, if they release any new products, that's where they like show it at. Last year when I wasn't a part of the business when this happened, but they released the skincare line at Monations. It's pretty much in an Amway, I'm so used to saying Amway because that's the arena by me. But they do it in an arena, and they have so many girls there, and it's amazing. Just from what I've seen and everything like that. But they have motivational speakers, famous social media influencers, and not even social media influencers, just motivational speakers in general who are like famous, and the directors and everybody like that gives us speeches and things along those lines. So with that being said, that's pretty much what I've kind of been up to lately, because I wanted to start this, especially over quarantine, because I was like, why not just kind of see what it's all about. And I'm not on here to be like, oh, like, join my team or like buy this stuff. Like, I'm not here to do that. I'm just here to inform you guys about, you know, being in Monat, about being in an MLM. Obviously each MLM is different. So, and our company has only been around for 5 years. So it's really just the tip of the iceberg of where we're at right now, and I'm so excited for what's to come. And then a lot of you guys are probably asking about my transformation, how this has affected me. And as I'm filming this, May 13th, I have been in Monat for a month now. Officially today, I signed up a month ago. And within that month, and I didn't get my product packed right away. It came like over the weekend, a few days after I had signed up. And my hair has gotten longer. Like, it's never been this long. Like, there, right here, it's starting to get thicker. And all over here, it's starting to get thicker. And just all that kind of stuff. A lot of you guys also probably like ask me like, how's my scalp, how's all of that. My scalp so far has been pretty good. I personally, even before I did Monat, I had pimples on my scalp. I had all that kind of stuff because products that I was using was actually causing buildup on my scalp, which I did not realize was happening, and that's why my hair follicles weren't growing. And now with all this stuff, it's pulling out all of the, like, I guess bad stuff you could say, but pulling out all of the stuff that's kind of been sitting there. and helping get all of that stuff out. But so far I've seen such a difference. My hair has so much volume to it now, and like, I don't know, I love it. And then the skincare, which I absolutely love to death. I practically live by this. I did take a slight break from doing my skincare because of with finals week and everything going on like that. I just got super busy with actually doing it. But when I was, now I'm back using it like regularly, but when I had that slight break, I could see my skin break out because I didn't have these products. These products weren't helping because they weren't in my skin, so like my skin wasn't getting what it needed and wanted. But the first 2 weeks of using the skincare, my skin cleared up. I'll have a before and after here. And it has done this for me, and it has done this for many other women in the group, and I'm going to show some like testimonials so you guys can see that this is actually working for a lot of people, and I'm not just saying it just to say it. So yeah, with that all being said, I really do enjoy this business. I enjoy the girls in it, and I am super motivated to do amazing. And yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you guys and partially share what I've been up to for the past month. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope it kind of cleared the air on some things, and any questions or anything like that you have. I'm so happy to make a second video about it, or answer your questions in the comments below, just because I want to inform you guys, and I don't want you guys to get the wrong impression of me or about the things that you see on Instagram with the MLMs. So with that being said, I do hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!